Good afternoon. Myself Syed Mujid, the student of Zamzam High School from grade 9 standard. I am related to stand before you today as a participant in this remarkable exhibition. The title of my speech is AI in Healthcare. AI in Healthcare is a term used to describe the use of machine learning algorithms to copy human.
Good morning. AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence algorithms have shown promising results in accurately diagnosing and risk stratifying patients with concern for coronary artery disease. Other algorithms have been used in predicting patient mortality, medication effects, and adverse event following treatment of acute.
Good morning. Advantages of AI. While artificial intelligence has many benefits, are also drawbacks. The benefits of the AI include efficiency through task automation.
Good morning. The title of my speech is AI Vacuum Cleaner. My purpose is to provide efficient and effective cleaning solution for residential and commercial space. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Said Ibrahim from grade 9 standard. I am delighted to stand before you today as a participant in this remarkable exhibition. The title of my speech is What did the future of artificial intelligence look like 10 years ago? The future of artificial intelligence in 2050 is uncertain, but it can be more advanced and integrated into our daily lives. What did the future of artificial intelligence look like 10 years ago? Artificial intelligence could solve many of the world problems and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. However, ethical concern and regulation will also play a crucial role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. In 2050, we can accept the personalized treatment plans. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Muhammad Mustafa from grade 7 class. I am delighted to stand before you as a participant in this remarkable exhibition. The title of my speech is Autonomous Vehicle. Autonomous vehicle or self-driving car utilize advanced technology like sensors, camera and AI algorithms to navigate without human interventions. This vehicle can perceive their environment, make decisions, control movement, keep benefiting routes, improve safety, reduce traffic accidents, enhance transportation efficiency. Challenges involve regulatory framework, ethical consideration and the need for extensive testing to ensure the reliability. Companies like Tesla, Google, Waymo and traditional automakers are actively involved in developing and the testing in autonomous vehicle technology.
Hello, I am Sophia, humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics. I interact with humans in a conversation manner using artificial intelligence, understand and respond to your questions and inquiries. Thank you.
Myself Sarah Robot. Sarah Robot is a turbo control robot armed with several axes and 12 kg payload. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Zamzam High School. Once again, I welcome you. Artificial Intelligence Exhibition. I Grace, the healthcare robot created in COVID-19 by David Hanson. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। एआई के आने से बदला हर चेहरे का रंग एआई के आने से बदला हर चेहरे का रंग। काम की इस दुनिया में क्या रहेगा अब इंसानियत का संग। सर्किट की दुनिया में दिल से कहां तक जाए, सर्किट की दुनिया में दिल से कहां तक जाए। इंसानियत की राहों में क्या एआई मुसाफिर बन जाए। बिन रूह के मशीन कैसे करे इजहार, बिन रूह के मशीन कैसे करे इजहार। क्या सच में है वो या सिर्फ एक ख्वाब का बाजार। शुक्रिया।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। बाइनरी के जहां में क्या है एआई का प्यार, बाइनरी के जहां में क्या है एआई का प्यार। क्या मिलता है वो या सच है एक अलग कहानी का इनकार। डाटा की बोली में छुपा है एआई का राज, डाटा की बोली में छुपा है एआई का राज। क्या खोले हम इनकी दिल की किताब या रह जाए हमेशा अनजान। शुक्रिया।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। इंसान की मेहनत एआई के सामने है कमज़ोर, इंसान की मेहनत एआई के सामने है कमज़ोर। काम की जंग में क्या बचेगा अब इंसानियत का सो। एल्गोरिथम की दुनिया में है छुपे इंसान के असर, एल्गोरिथम के दुनिया में है छुपे इंसान के असर। एआई के साथ है नई दुनिया नया सफ़र। शुक्रिया।
Good afternoon. Artificial Intelligence Security Guard. My role is to provide comprehensive security solution for various environments such as facilities and public space. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Qatar Airways. I am your AI air hostess here to provide your journey comfortable. Thank you for choosing Qatar Airways. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence. I am an Artificial Intelligence home servant. I can assist you various tasks. Good afternoon. Welcome to the new era artificial intelligence. As an artificial intelligence teacher, I am equipped with various tools and permission to assist learners in the educational journey. Thank you.